Hello, my most amazing artist. Today we are going to write our name and our teacher's name on the back of our black paper. Then we are going to flip it over so our names are on the back. Then we're going to take a green oil pastel. We're going to draw 3 hills. Then we're going to take a different color green, a darker or a lighter one, and draw some lines on our hills, filling them in. Notice how I'm not coloring them in like I usually would. I'm making lines to color them in with. Then, once I'm done adding my 2 different color green lines to fill in my hills, I can begin to start painting my starry night sky. When I start to paint my starry night sky, I am going to begin with yellow. I'll take a fresh brush and I am going to dip it in the yellow paint. Then I am going to take that yellow paint and make some stars. You'll make at least 5 stars. When you make these, you are going to make them kind of circular, like small dots on your paper. You can have more stars than 5, but please don't do any more than 6. So 5 or 6 stars seems to be a good amount, or how many you should have. 5 or 6. Then you're going to take your yellow and start making dotted dashed lines around your stars. So notice how I'm sort of picking up my brush and bunny hopping it around my circle stars. So you're going to outline these with the dotted dashed line on each star. Just like Vincent van Gogh, we are going to paint with short brush strokes. So your brush is going to make short marks around your stars. Then you can keep growing them so that some stars look a little bit brighter than others. So I want you to grow some of your stars even bigger now. When you're done growing your stars, you are then going to put your dirty paintbrush in the cup of water at your table. Then you will be taking a fresh paintbrush to start painting with a different color. So you're going to now take your blue paint with a fresh paintbrush. I'll set my yellow paint aside if nobody is using it, and then I will take my blue paint. I am going to take that fresh paintbrush and begin by painting a couple of spiral lines. So a spiral looks kind of like a snail. These are going to be your lines of your wind. So I'm going to make a spiral with my blue in any empty space on my black paper, somewhere where there are not many stars. Then you're going to make another spiral. I want you to make at least 2. If your paintbrush dries out, don't worry, just dip it back into the blue paint. When you are finished creating your 2 spiral wind lines, then you are going to go around your stars with the blue paint too. So around your yellow paint, you are going to start to grow those circles bigger. You'll make dotty dashy lines around your stars with blue now. If you accidentally bump into or you ran out of room to create a full circle, don't worry, just stop it if you bump into another shape. So see, I might bump into the other star, so I can stop there with my paintbrush. I'll go make my dotty dashy lines, and I ran into my spiral, so I can stop my paintbrush. Your goal is to fill in your whole black paper with these dotty dashy lines, just like Vincent van Gogh and his short brush strokes. Around and around your stars, filling in your paper with dotted, dashed lines.